My name is Daniela Adams. I was a former student of Qashqai School of Art and Design, and I was studying interior design in particular. I spent my entire career working with furniture. I was working mainly on commercial projects where I interacted with interior designers and architects on a daily basis. And I just admired what they do and I loved what they did. So this was my inspiration for choosing studying interior design myself. Comprehensive, I would say. It's got lots of subjects that many other universities do not cover, neither here in Portugal or overseas back in Australia. I was checking with friends and they were like, wow, you really learn all this? I never did that in 4 years of uni. I think the most challenging for myself personally, but also the most rewarding now is to learn all the technical systems like CAD and SketchUp and Twinmotion. I didn't think I could, but it's possible. This was my biggest surprise, and it happened right in the beginning of the course that I was actually able to draw by hand. In the first session with Antonio, he made us do this, even though no one of us believed we could. That's something was very surprising and something I'm also very proud of. That's where everything comes together. I decided that my concept will be having a division between the ground floor, that's the atelier, and the upper floors who are the living areas for Fernando's family. So I think it's important if you work and live in the same place that you distinguish those two areas and that they visually and practically appeal as a different area. So even if you move within the same building, your brain hopefully will pick up and realize, oh, now I'm at work, or I'm going upstairs. I left work behind. Now I'm a private person. Now I'm a husband. Now I'm a father. Now I can play with my dogs. If it's Portugal or back in Australia or elsewhere in the world, I will definitely apply my new skills and make a career shift to be able to work in the interior design field. So if you're contemplating to study at Qashqai School of Art and Design, interior design in particular, I would say yes. Be prepared to invest time though. This is a very intense course which will give you the skills in a short period of time, but it means that you also need to commit and you need to invest the time to absorb all the learning that will be offered to you. But this is definitely the way to go if you want to do a certification in interior design.